I'm supposed to be on the road right now. And apparently we have a huge snowstorm advisory. And yeah, we have a huge snowstorm advisory tomorrow. Actually, tonight. And I'm debating with myself, should I still go and work out? Because I usually travel for an hour away from here, and I usually go to the gym, a boxing gym, and then I travel back and I swim. Now, going swimming isn't so bad because at least it's like a 15-minute bus ride and then a 10-minute walk. It's not that bad. So I think I might skip the gym just because I wouldn't want to be caught an hour bus ride away from home during a snowstorm. But at least like a half an hour commute is not so bad, you know? I don't know.